God.
Hey guys, I'm here in Miami with Casey.
Hi.
Casey is an amazing dancer and she hasn't been adjusted in a really long time. So today we're gonna do a full body adjustment on her and get her dancing even better. What's going on? You know, does anything hurt you? Do you feel pretty good or?
So no pain, but I do get a lot of stiffness in my back and in my hip area from dancing, and just that's where I carry all my tension.
All your tension?
Yeah.
What kind of dancing do you do?
I mostly do like freestyle dance, so any genre of music, but very high energy, fast pace, and yeah.
So your body needs to move
Yeah,
really
and
well.
sometimes I get kind of tight, and it's not the best for mobility.
Do you want to, will you show me a little bit of like, kind of what you do for dancing? Maybe like a some moves, let's see. Wow, okay. That's awesome. Oh man, so remember what you just did, because we're gonna adjust you.
Okay.
And then I'll have you do it again, and you can tell me how it feels. Hopefully it will feel looser, and maybe your skills will be even better. But that was pretty awesome. Okay, so what I'm gonna have you do first is you're gonna lay face down on here, okay? And perfect, just like that. And you can put your hands like right here in front of you there's a little handle right there. Hang on to that, all right?
Oh gosh.
We're not, I didn't start yet. You're okay. But, okay, let's see here. How you doing so far? You said you
This feels good.
okay, good. So it starts getting tighter up in this area.
Very
Ooh.
this morning when I was stretching.
Yeah, this needs to move. This is not moving very well. So maybe you can feel the difference when I press here. Okay, so see how it's kind of bouncy right there?
Mm-hmm.
And then this side is just like
Yeah.
not at all.
Mm-hmm.
It's knotty.
Mm-hmm.
There's knots.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's see how symmetrical you are. Ooh. So your right leg is a lot shorter than your left one.
What?
Did you know that?
No.
All right. Well, you can, when we show you the video, you can see what I'm seeing right now, but your right leg is a lot shorter, yeah. So
How many inches do you think?
that's maybe like half an inch to an inch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust this area in here, and then we'll recheck this to see if it evened out a little bit, which it should, because sometimes if this side is tighter, it's going to like pull this leg up a little bit. So we're going to do that. I'm going to use, I have a massage gun. We're going to use that first to help you relax, okay? Have you ever had anyone use one of these on you?
I've had this once.
Yeah. Let's see. Good. All right. Yep.
Kind of intense. Okay, look at ticklish spot there.
Yeah. So it is a pretty ticklish spot. Try to keep like your glute and this whole area as relaxed as you can. I know it's really ticklish. Not as bad here, right? Yep, So too. So I'm going to start in this area, okay? So what I'm going to have you do is you're going to take a deep breath in for me. Breathe out all the way. Good, and stay totally relaxed here. There we go. Good. All right. Yeah. So none of this is moving really. Okay. All right. What we're gonna do down here, I'm gonna have you lay on your side and you're gonna face me, okay? And yep, that. And you're gonna keep your bottom leg straight, and then you're gonna bend your top knee, whoop, right there. Scoot towards me a little bit, so perfect. Give yourself a hug. All right, how you doing so far?
Good.
Scoot towards me just a bit more. Okay. And then put this hand like on your elbow like that, and look at the ceiling, and just totally relax. There you go. Okay, so take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Stay totally relaxed right here. And stay relaxed again. Perfect. All right, we're gonna do that on the other side. We're getting everything moving in there.
It actually felt kind of good. The first one
It actually felt kind of good. All right, this leg is gonna go right here and scoot towards me a bunch because you're like towards the side of the table. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Okay. And a little bit more. Keep this leg relaxed here. Good. Okay. Do this. There you go. All right, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good, just like that. Stay relaxed. Good, stay relaxed again. Perfect. All right, lay face down again. Let's recheck your legs and see if this realigns you here. Okay. A little bit. What we need to do a little bit more. This is just. Put your arms back right there for a second. Okay. So the table right under your hips here is going to go up like that. I'm going to press down right here, and the table's going to go down. I know it's loud, but right here. Okay. How you doing?
Good, fine.
Get beat up a little bit, right?
That doesn't hurt, it's loud.
What'd you say?
It doesn't hurt, it's loud.
Yeah. Let's see. Have you ever had any knee issues?
Me? No.
No, okay.
Lately they've been hurting a little bit though.
What'd you say?
Lately they've been hurting a little bit though.
Oh, really?
I think I've noticed something.
Okay. This needs a little bit more. I'm gonna do this one more time. This is a little bit better. This is good. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more when I have you turn over, but you'll be able to see when you watch this video, your legs are not as uneven, which is good. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have you turn over and lay face up, okay? Do you get massages?
Yeah.
When was the last time you had a massage?
Not this month, but it'll be last month.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you get deep tissue massages?
I don't know what she does. She does like everything.
Okay.
I usually go once a month.
That's good. Are you right-handed?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna get the joints in here moving a little bit better, okay? So you're gonna stay totally relaxed here, and I'm gonna bend your head over to one side, but you stay totally relaxed. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Jeez.
Let it out. Let it out. It's all right.
It's just creepy to hear. It didn't hurt. It just like.
It's the sound.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's so that sound is
that?
what it is. Maybe I should have told you this before we did it, but that sound is when you have a joint. So like these are two bones. You have a joint. There's air in the middle. So when you move the joint, what you're hearing is the air moving out between the joint really fast. So it's not the actual bone that you're hearing, okay?
Yeah.
I don't know if that makes it better for you to understand that, but you're gonna feel amazing. It's gonna be great. Okay. So we're gonna do the other side. Still stay relaxed even though you know what to expect now, okay?
Okay. Oh. Whoa.
Go for it. Let it out. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Okay. Don't go anywhere. Nope, you're good. Girl, I've heard it all. People's reactions after an adjustment. People who have never cursed in their lives, like they just like let it out. Okay. How you doing?
Good.
Okay. This probably looks scary.
Okay.
Let me explain to you what we're gonna do with this. Okay. This is called the Y strap. Have you ever seen anyone get adjusted with this?
No.
Have you heard of it?
I've never seen one of those before in my life.
Okay, so it looks scarier than it is. What we're going to be doing with this is I'm going to be doing some traction for your entire spine, okay?
Okay.
If I were to do this with my hands, what I would do, and sometimes massage therapists will do like a little bit of traction this way, like they start pulling up like this. Have you ever had anyone do that? So the problem with this is that, see how my hands are kind of slipping?
Uh-huh.
So this strap, what it's going to do is going to go right around here.
Uh-huh.
And we're going to pull up this way, and it's going to be an adjustment in this direction. Okay?
Uh-huh.
You cool with that?
Yeah.
All right. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way. Breathe in again. And breathe out.
Oh my god. Oh, that was so scary.
You're alive! Oops, don't go anywhere! Lay down, lay down! You made it. This is the other side. You made it. How you doing?
Good. Oh, I wasn't expecting.
I know. I tried to explain it and warn you, but you feel good?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Can I work on your feet and your ankles while you while you recover up here? You're still here. Yep, you're still here. Say.
Yeah.
Wiggle your toes.
That was intense.
Still alive. You're good. It is intense, but you're gonna feel like $1,000,000, and I can't wait to see your dance moves afterwards. So, okay. So keep this leg relaxed here. Good. How you doing? You breathing? I was gonna show you what it looked like to have that adjustment done beforehand, but you were like, no, don't show me, don't show me. Ooh, your foot does not move very well in here. We can't have that. You're a dancer. That needs to move better. Doing all right? Do your feet ever bother you? No?
I mean, they get sore sometimes.
All right. So move this foot around and then move that one around. Tell me how it feels. Like, what's the difference right now between the two?
I mean, this one definitely feels better.
It feels better? Okay.
More, yeah.
So you can handle it on the other side, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Ooh, that one needed it even more. You're doing great. Okay. One more. There we go. All right. How you feel now?
Good.
Scoot up that way a bit for me. Pull you all the way down the table here. All right. Check your knee. It's fine. Do you feel that move a little bit? Yeah. Just a bit. Okay. All right. How you doing?
Good. Alive.
You're alive. I'm gonna have you sit up and face this way. You can stay seated for a second.
Uh-huh.
You dizzy at all? No? You feel pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm not done with you yet. I just wanted a 5-second intermission.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see in here. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Your massage therapist missed a spot. I think.
I haven't been in like a month.
Oh, okay. So this is what it feels like
Yeah.
after.
My upper back is always really bad. My lower back. Well, my whole back.
Well,
but I get not a knots up here.
yeah. So what I felt is that, yes, it's tighter up here, but your joints down here don't move as well as up here. So it took a little bit more adjusting to get that area in your low back moving, but let's see if we can get this to release a little bit. Can you handle that?
Yeah, feels good.
All right, you're gonna bring your left ear to your left shoulder. So like bend your head over that way. There you go. That's the sound effect for what that feels like, right? Okay, look straight ahead. Okay. Let's see here. All right. So I'm gonna have you stand up, and I'm gonna adjust your arms. Are you dizzy at all? You feel good?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Dancers don't get dizzy, right? That's like a rule. So keep this arm relaxed. I'm gonna check in here. I think your posture is better already. It's like perfect. Yeah.
I have dancer posture. I'm always like straight up.
That's good. That's unlike most everybody else, right?
Yeah. Ooh.
So you said earlier that you hurt a finger. This
finger has like a cartilage scar in there, so I can't bend it all the way.
Okay.
So just be careful with that finger. That
Gotcha.
has stitches on it.
All right.
I can't bend all the way.
Do you crack your knuckles at all? Or
No.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Yeah. It's not cracking your knuckles the way most people do it. It's not the greatest thing, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stretch this way on each one. Okay. I'm just gonna hold it like that because I'll slip that way.
Okay.
And we're just gonna pull down like that. Good. So does that hurt at all in there?
Uh-uh.
No. Okay. Ooh. It's healed.
Maybe I'll be able to bend it now.
Actually, let me see in here. Yeah, bend it now and tell me how it feels compared to when you first bent. I guess we could have looked a little closer.
I don't know. See, I can't touch there.
Mm-hmm.
I can touch there.
Let me see that hand one more time.
I think it's the scar tissue. So you feel that lump in there?
Yeah, I do. When did that happen?
The end of July.
Okay. Has it gotten better since then? Like,
No.
No. This is gonna feel a little bit weird, but so these are great for breaking up scar tissue or
I didn't know if I was
knots.
supposed to do anything to it. I never went to the doctor for a follow-up. Like,
Usually with any kind of injury, so you had stitches
yeah.
in there.
Mm-hmm.
Usually what happens is that you get a lot of inflammation from the injury and then you hit stitches, and then your body will create scar tissue underneath your skin. You have scar tissue, you can see the scar, but it's also underneath. And so scar tissue doesn't move as well as regular soft tissue, and that's why it's like, it feels really tight. But you can break that up with like a massage gun.
I feel like
Let me see that one more time. Yeah, it's gonna. Girl, I got you. We'll make this. You need this finger in Miami, right? That middle finger when you're driving. I feel like. Let's see here. Okay, try now again. That's a lot.
Sometimes.
That's a lot better, but like, yeah, it's.
I feel like over time I'm gonna have to if I'm consistent with it.
What you can do on your own is, so I want you to use this hand and grab this finger like that.
This hand?
So use it. So we're gonna do it on this hand so you can kind of practice, and then traction, like pull out as hard as you can. So okay, because that's what I want you to do to the other finger, just like that, and kind of like if you're just like waiting in line somewhere, or you're at a red light or whatever, just like pull, And I'm gonna show.
I have the feeling the lump is so creepy to feel under.
But I would try to work that out as much as you can. Let me see this hand. I want to check this too. So it should feel like that when you're doing it. Okay. Let me check these fingers too. Good. Gotta keep these ones formal. Let me see this elbow too. Stand up real straight. Dancer posture.
Ooh.
Wow. Okay. That needed that. All right. How you feel right now?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, you're already. Is this the?
I'll just test it out tonight.
Yeah. Do you remember what you did when we?
No, just like freestyling, but just like.
How does it feel now compared to
general
before?
Movements. Feel more mobile for sure.
Yeah.
Less tense.
You're all like.
Just like.
You're making me want to dance. I can't do that though. But that's. Yeah, you're so. You got a good flow. I like it. So, do you feel any area of restriction right now, like while you're moving around? Do you feel anywhere that is?
I just feel still like my upper back is.
Is it your upper back still a little bit?
Just up here. It's just.
So
so tight.
It is the tighter area on you. Let me. Can I do one more thing with you for this area?
Okay.
Yes. I want to see if we can get the muscles to relax a little bit more. So let me have you lay face down one more time, and I'll put this here so you can lay right there. Let's see here. Let's see if we can. Okay, so I'm gonna it's gonna be a fast stretch in this area here, okay? So I'm gonna bend your head over to that side so you stay totally relaxed, okay? Mm-hmm. All right. Look straight down again. Actually, do you want to put your hands in front of you here? Is that more comfortable? Sorry. Yeah, there you go, perfect. All right, keep this relaxed here. Good. Good, and we're gonna do the other side like that. And stay as relaxed as you can for me. Does this see you relaxed?
Kinda.
Kinda. Good. Let me see. Yeah, your muscles in here. Okay, let's see.
Like all up there, it hurts when you push on it.
Yeah, it's definitely the tightest area is up here. Good. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out. All right, go ahead and sit up for me. And I'm gonna have you do your little flowy dance. How's it feel now?
A little better, yeah.
It does feel a little bit better. Okay, we just needed to like beat it up a little bit more. Is that it? So what do you think? This is the most complete adjustment I think you've ever gotten, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I never had anyone actually like do my whole body. Like,
Yeah. So this is true chiropractic here. This is like the real deal. Would you recommend this to other dancer friends?
For sure. I can recommend you some girls if you want. The test will be tonight when I'm at my show to see.
They're gonna be like, why are you moving so well? This is amazing. Thank you so much for letting me adjust you. If anybody wants to connect with you online, where can they find you?
My Instagram is casey.darko, and yeah.
I will link to her Instagram. But yeah, thank you for letting me adjust you. This was awesome. You're very welcome.